Welcome dear learners. Today we will discuss some vocabulary of mathematics. Now let's get started. Maths vocabulary review. What first? First, addend. Two or more numbers that are added to find a sum. Example, we can take 3 plus 4, right? 3 plus 4, we get 7, right? Next, commutative property of addition. Changing the order of addends does not change their sum. You see here in example, suppose you have A plus B equal to, write as like B plus A, then R sum not change. Difference, the result of subtraction, that is known as difference. Fact family, a group of three numbers related by addition and subtraction or by multiplication and division. Let's see. Example, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 minus 2 equal to 3, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, right? Next, identity property of addition. The sum of any number and 0 is equal to the initial number. So example, 9 plus 0 equal to 9. Inverse operations. Operations that undo one another. Example, addition oblique subtraction, multiplication oblique division. What is this? Addition inverse subtraction, multiplication inverse division. Minuend. It is a part of subtraction. A number from which another number is subtracted. Let's see. Example, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. That means 5 is your minuend. Subtrahend, a number that is subtracted. Here 9 minus 5. 5 is your subtrahend, right? Am I right, dear learners? Yes, 5 is your subtrahend. Sum, the result of addition, that is sum. Suppose you are doing 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Means 2 plus 5 equal to 7. This result 7 is your sum. 2 and 5 are added. Commutative property of multiplication. When we change the order of factors, does not change their product. That is, changing the order of factor does not change their product. Let's see here example. First I kept A and into B, right? Then A in first position before multiplication, B after multiplication, equal to, we should keep B as first, then what would be the result? You see, B into A, right? B into A. See, B into A. Example, we can take 9 into 4, right? Equal to 36. And when we write 9 into 9 into, see here, when we write 4 into 9, it also gives us 36. It is a commutative property of multiplication. Dividend, the number that is divided. Suppose you are going to divide this one by 3, right? So 9 is our dividend and it is given 3. Divisor, just I have taken 9 divided 3 equal to 3. That means 3 is our divisor. Next, quotient, 9 divided by 3, we get 3. 3 is our quotient, isn't it? Remainder, an amount left after division, that is our remainder, right? Suppose 4 divided 17, 4 4 ja 16, subtract it, we get 1. It would be your 1 is your remainder. Next, factors, 2 or more numbers that are multiplied. Suppose 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Next, identity property of multiplication. The product of any number and 1 is equal to the initial number. Example, when we multiply 9 by 1, we get 9 itself. Product, the result of multiplication, that is product. Example, 9 into 4, that means 36 is our product. Zero property of multiplication, 0 times any number is 0. So we get 0, that is known as zero property of multiplication. Associative property of addition, the grouping of addends does not affect their sum. You see here, a plus b plus c equal to a plus bracket b plus c bracket close. Let's see, 2 plus 3, keep in bracket, and plus 2. What you get when we write as like 2 plus in bracket 3 plus 2? What we get? That is 7. In both cases, that is called associative property of addition. Associative property of multiplication, the grouping of factors does not affect their product. Here, bracket in bracket a into b and out of bracket into c equal to a into in bracket b into c. That means no effect after multiplication, we get the product. Let's see the example. 4 into 5, keep in bracket, into 2. When we write it 4 into and take 5 into 2 in bracket, so all in both cases we get 22. That is the associative property of multiplication. Thanks for watching, dear. Have a nice day to all, and again watch this one.